what? Huh? Yeah, they must go.
Wengane zakwethu njani bafethu, ngiyathemba nempila nami ngiyaphila kakhulu. Wengane zakwethu bafethu, kushubile laphana eGoli endaweni yaseMayfair, lapho khona kuthola lutho umphakathi lapha okudominate khona abantu bangaphandle baseSomalia bafethu kuleya ndawo yaseMayfair, indawo edominate kakhulu abantu esibabiza ngo my friend emphakathini yethu, laba banama tuck shop iSouth Africa yonke bafethu. So bafethu kuleya ndawo kuvelile lapho khona umphakathi wakhona lapha endaweni yaseMayfair uqala ucomplain ukuthi ayingeke lana ngathi sesinabantu bokufika abaningi kakhulu abathutheleya kule ndawo and bayabezana, yibona manje asebegcina sebephethe kule ndawo, yibona badecide ukuthi what to do at what time bafethu. So lokho kukwenza ukuthi abantu bala eSouth Africa bahlala kuyona le ndawo yaseMayfair bezame ukuthi behlangane bezame ukwenza a peaceful march yokuthi no bafethu ngeke senibaningi kakhulu futhi la, and sicela futhi ukuthi nohulumeni engenelele zama ukuchecka amaphepheni ukuthi ngabe nonke yini nilana eSouth Africa ngokuyimvume. So bafethu bathe bayaqala nje bafethu bayazama ukumasha kule ndawo, umphakathi waseSomalia okholakala ukuthi mningi kakhulu lapha, noma umphakathi wabo my friend omningi kakhulu kunomphakathi waseSouth Africa, uvele wavulela isibhaxu kuwonke umuntu wala eSouth Africa bezama ukumasha lapha. Abagcinanga ukuvulela isibhaxu bafethu kubantu baseSouth Africa bagcina ukumasha, abanye babonale kuma video bafethu abantu bakhona lapha eSomalia bebemeza bebizana befuna ukuthi beshise imoto zama South African bafethu. Bengiqala mina ukubona abantu bephakamisa imoto beyiqukula beyithatha bayibhekisa phezulu imoto baqede bayifaka umlilo. Ingakho bafethu ke senginakho ukukhola ukuthi kahle kulamazwe laba ale phezulu bafethu, ingakho bengabafuni abantu abamaSomalia njalo bafethu, ngoba laba abantu bama terrorists. As soon as befika kwi country bafike bethatha izinto ngobudlopha, bethatha izinto ngodlame, and uma nizama ukubalwisa noma uhulumeni ebalwisa abanqenje ukuthi umuntu oyedwa maybe walapha eSomalia efaka amabhomu endaweni eyisente efike efe nabantu abaningi bala eSouth Africa. Sengiyakholwa ke lokho bafethu, ngeodlame ngulibone belenza lapha kuma video nemoto yomuntu wala eSouth Africa omnyama bayithathile bayishisa bafethu, ngenxa ukuthi bathi bafuna ukudemonstrate ukuthi kule ndawo abafune umuntu ozobajoyela kabi and akhomashi bafethu ezokwenzakala lapha bafethu. Kuningi ukumangala kwabantu bafethu balana eSouth Africa enkundleni zokuxhumana bafethu. Uma kutholakala bafethu kahle abantu abagcwele kule ndawo abantu abaphethe incwadi zokuba ama refugees kule country, omunye uzoyibuza ukuthi yini ama refugees bafethu. Ama refugees kahle uma uthi izwe lakho liyalo kahle une right yokubaleka nibalekele kuma countries aseduze niyobhaca khona nithile izwe leli liqedwe ukula lize libe safe mase nibuyele emakini. So bafethu kahle umthetho wama refugees esinawo eSouth Africa noma umthetho wama refugee nje indlela amanage ngayo, kuthiwa uma i-country ilwa kumele abantu bakhona bebalekele to the nearest countries bafethu. Okusho ukuthi ngoba sinabantu abasuka le koSomalia beza la eSouth Africa beba nencwadi zama refugees, lokho seku-wrong cause maningi ama countries aseduze koSomalia nawo lawo ma countries angawafuna ama-Somalians noma Ethiopians cause labo bantu bama terrorists njalo bafethu. So into esiyitholayo ukuthi ke labo bantu bagcwelela eSouth Africa banezincwadi zokuba ama refugees bafethu, and okusegcina sekudida nohulumeni cause na uhulumeni usiyadida ukuthi mangakanani ngahlahla ama refugees ala kwi country since engakwazi ukwa manage bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi kwamanye ama country nama refugees abakhandela ama camp lapha azokwazi ukuba monitor khona. So uhulumeni wethu eSouth Africa ade nje ekhuluma uMinister of Wezamalungelo njalo lethe bona benohulumeni basisasa ukuthi ngebe ekhande ama camps ama refugees. So kahle lawo ma refugees abantu basuka kulamazwe angaphandle kumele behlale nathi emphakathini bafethu, akuyona i-request, bazohlala nathi and amaphoyisa azokwazi ukuba treat njengabantu bala eSouth Africa. Kahle ubuye refugee na la eSouth Africa nathi bafethu awuhlukile njengomuntu oyi-South Africans cause yonke imithetho noma zonke izinto ebenefits ama South Africans nawo uyayibenefits abafethu. Njengakho nje ingakho benezitolo ezingaka emphakathini kahle ngoba benezitolo ezingaka umthetho la eSouth Africa uyabavikela ukuthi bebe ama refugees la kwi country benamaphepha kuba ama refugees right, uyabavumela ukuthi bedayisa cause kuthiwa abantu basuke bebaleke emazweni abo bafethu bezelana nabo kumele beyithola indlela ukuthi beyiphilise ngabo bafethu. Kuningi ukhala kwabantu and siyazi ukuthi nabanye abaholi bama-marches ade bekhala ngenqwaba abantu abanama document, abanye ukholala ukuthi awumgunyathi abayibiza ngama refugees asebegcwele kule country, and badinga ukuthi nohulumeni zama ukuyibhekelela indaba ama refugees cause siyazi ukuthi most of the tax shop spaza shop criminal syndicate bafika ngoline vele ukuthi ba ama refugees kwi country, abanye befike ngoline ukuthi baphethe ama study visa ukuthi bebe la thothi uzobona ikhehle edala nje le Somalia lithi bezofunda la bafethu kuningi ukuphala kwabantu ngalolu daba okugcina sekuthinta nabanye abaholi bama-marsh and mashes abafana nophakela umthatha bathe basazoyifakela izibuko indaba yalapha eMayfair bafethu ngicela ubuza kuthini uPaulo-ke nalolu daba labantu baseSomalia asebekwazi ukubulala noma sebekwazi ukunakho nje uphuca abantu base-South Africa ilungelo lokumasha bafethu ngicela ukuthola ukuphawula kwenu bafethu ngoba ngiyazi le media ayivezi lento ey'ndabeni namanye osopolitiki abavela ama-foreigners bathule ngalolu daba lama-foreigners abulala iy'moto ama-property abantu bala e-South Africa baphinde beshaya abantu base-South Africa whensoever they are trying to demonstrate through ama-mashes ukuthi kuhulumeni wabo they have ama-problems. Danko.
Somebody please go and tell Uvavi, Grootman Vavi, that this is what we are trying to prevent. This. I'm going to show it to you now. Those are Somalis here in Mayfair overturning a car of South Africans, as it is alleged. And apparently they also chased South Africans here in Mayfair. This is what we are preventing. Somalis, illegal foreigners in the country. We are trying to prevent this for the future of our children, because this is what they will face. And by then they will be far more stronger than what they are now. Vavi, I guess Grootman, you go on South African SAFM and tell that, you know, you're on the side of illegal foreigners. Because you're on the side of illegal foreigners, that they came in here. You know, foreigners are the ones that built our cities. Let me ask you a question, Vavi. If they built our cities, did they come into the country illegally, or were they fetched from wherever they were fetched from? And did we not know under apartheid, because you're speaking about apartheid, did we not know the number of foreigners that came into the country at that time? Was it not a labor that is imported to come and assist or supplement the labor that is in the country? The fact that they have built these cities is not a justification for them that many years later, which is our period now, their descendants should come into our country illegally. We have the Abu Vavi and we have the Grootman and Beng Frustana, Kotwa Aukabangi Grootman. Some of your reasoning, some of you unionists, is not make sure. I don't know how did you lose the General Secretary of COSATU at that particular time. Ujamini dealt with you because they understood Ugutai. Yeah, Ujamini, during the time Yagabab Zuma, they dealt with you with that case. They dealt with you because you are not opened here. You cannot reason to say, Grootman Vavi, you can't say, because migrants were imported as labor, imported to come and build these cities. Therefore, that is a justification in your argument now that they should remain, their descendants should come into our country illegally, post-apartheid, during a democracy. That's not a logic. It's a sign, a sample of a possible future of this country. If we don't deal with this matter now, if we don't nip this problem in the bud now, we are going to have a problem in the future. Grootman Vavi. We can't be playing historical empathies and sympathies here with the future of this country. never be. China built their economy importing capital through direct investments of companies, America and all, during the time of Bill Clinton. And there was a skills transfer. And then at the same time, the Chinese population was being skilled because it was largely rural and they were poor. And the communist ideology at that time was saying, no, we can't deal with capitalist countries. But a wise Chinese at that time, not Xi Jinping now, a wise Chinese a leader said, no, we need this direct investment by the capitalists. Let's learn from them. And because of labor was cheaper there, then all manufacturing went, much of it, went to China. That's how they build their economies. And then are you saying now that, okay, so China now is well developed, first world class country. Are you then saying that now the Chinese must allow the descendants of the people, of all the people whose countries contributed there to go in there illegally? That's the logic that you are using. Vavi. Mana keka, mana. That's not logic. Yes, they were brought here. But these migrants at that time of apartheid to build cities, to supplement labor force, yes, in South Africa. But that does not mean that they should be here illegally. They are descendants. No. You can't reason like that, Vavi. You can't. This is a problem. Our argument of illegal foreigners is not an economic argument. It's a security argument. We are not saying that the illegal foreigners are the reason for the high unemployment. As you constantly, you constantly reduce this argument only to economics and jobs. Whereas our focus is the security of the country now and future. Because clearly in your vocabulary, above, you have nothing called a national security. That concept, that language doesn't exist in the vocabulary of your politics. Does not. And then you see that South Africa should play a meaningful role in the neighboring countries where these illegal foreigners are coming from. And what meaningful part can South Africa play now when we have our own internal problems? Each country must deal with their own problems. That is why we are saying they must go back home and fix their own countries. Mugabe during apartheid, Vavi, you know it. There is a YouTube video where he says, no, the struggle of apartheid of the ANC, we are not involved. We can offer diplomatic help, but we can't do more than that. Mugabe refused and he wanted to focus on Zimbabwe. So why should we then get involved? When we got involved via Thabo Mbeki, a mess happened there between Shangarai and Tatem Garbi. You know that story as well. We should stop meddling in other people's affairs. The issue of them running away from their own countries has got nothing to do with us as South Africans. It is their own governments that they must face. The same way we are now trying to face our own government. So don't make this illegal immigration problem as the lack of participation by South Africa into those countries. You are not slave, Vavi. Hotman. That's why you were able to be sacked from COSATU as a general secretary.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Yo good people, this is so sad to watch. Like, angazi ukuthi ama foreigners afuna ukubonana ngempela afuna ukubonana. And ke mawuyazi iMayfair mangabe nje useJozi uyayazi iMayfair ukuthi vele ku dominate wona ama foreigners like kukubo. And now nababona ukuthi benzani bawa provoke ama South Africans. Mase wa retaliate ama South Africans as xenophobic. Like South Africans will be called by names. No, good people, this is not right. This is not right. One thing for sure, angeke South African isuke South Africa iyokwenza this shit that they are doing Somalia or Malawi or kuphi. This is not right. Government yethu isidelelisa ngama foreigner South Africa. Asazi ke nazi 30 June yabona ke ngale 30 June mase South Africa se retaliate kuzothiwa South Africa wrong naba ama video na evidence yokuthi yibo abaqalile baxosha abantu base South Africa eMayfair baphula imoto bashaya abantu wona ama foreign ama Somalian nama Malawians. No, good people, sometimes yazi kumele iqiniso nje sikhulume silmele. Ama foreigners are too relaxed in South Africa. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.